Welcome to Quilt Block Studio. Today we are going to make a squared up block. We're going to use 3 different fabrics for this one, red, black, and white. We are going to need a black square that is 6.5 inches. We're going to need 2 little red squares that are 3.5 inches square. Let's scoot this down so that you can see it properly. And we're going to need some white rectangles that are 3.5 by 6.5. And we're going to need 2 more white rectangles that are 3.5 by 9.5. Oh, press your fabrics. Don't be lazy like me. All right, now that you can see it all laid out, you can tell just how simple this block is going to go together. We're going to sew together the top row, the middle row, and the third row, and then we're just going to join them all together. And you are going to have a squared up block. Enjoy!